Welcome students to this channel. Come back again taking another problem. Before going to solve this problem, I want to say something, that is, you will watch this video without any break, otherwise you will not understand properly and unable to get better concept. So watch this continuously and subscribe this channel, because whenever next video will be uploaded, immediately you will not be sent notification. So to get immediately up whenever it is loaded, subscribe this. Now I'm going to solve this. Let x, that is equal to sin square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Next, x, that is equal to, reduce this either in cos or in sin. Here it is better to express in cos, because sin square theta easily we can write 1 minus cos square theta plus cos 4 theta, or it may be reduced cos 4 theta minus cos square theta plus 1 minus x, bracket this. Now see, this is a quadratic equation of cos square theta. So let y is equal to cos square theta and name it, this is 1. Now from 1, what we will have? Y square minus y plus 1 minus x, that is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation of y. Say cos square theta is equal to y. Cos theta is real, theta is real. As y is real, therefore its discriminant greater is equal to 0. Its discriminant, what is d equal to discriminant name it to b square minus 4ac, b means minus 1, minus 4ac, 4, a means 1, c means 1 minus x, that is equal to, what is 1 plus x minus 1, 4 into, or not, equal to 1 plus 4x minus 4, that is equal to 4x minus 3. As d greater is equal to 0 implies that 4x minus 3 greater is equal to 0, or x greater is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore the least value of x 3 by 4. Next, to get maximum value of x or max value of x, now see, solve equation 2 for y. Y, now again writing y square minus y plus 1 minus x, that is equal to 0. Solve this, or y is equal to minus b means minus of minus 1 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac means this, directly writing 4x minus 3 by 2a means 1. So y is equal to 1 plus minus root over 4x minus 3 by 2. See here y means cos square theta. Cos square theta always positive. So maximum value of max of y is equal to 1 as cos square theta is equal to 0, and max of 1. Therefore y put value y is equal to 1 is equal to 1 plus minus root over 4x minus 3 by 2, or 2 is equal to 1 plus minus 4x minus 3. 2 minus 1 is equal to plus minus root over 4x minus 3. Now squaring both sides, 1 is equal to 4x minus 3, or x is equal to 1. So maximum value of x when maximum value of y is equal to 1. Therefore hence we are having x 3 by 4 less is equal to x less is equal to 1. So to satisfy this condition, 3 by 4 less is equal to sin square theta plus less is equal to 1. Hence the problem is solved. If you have any problem, you may write in comment box. If it is relevant to you, you must subscribe this channel for getting next classes and many classes like this already uploaded. You should see also all that classes. Again telling you, you will subscribe. Thank you very much.